Okay, doing a little documentary video of a windstorm we had on the 13th of February. This is there's Dad's house over there, and our poor renters had the roof blown off this place a week after they moved in, and they were in there. See, right down inside of the house. And then that roof wound up, you can see over here, and there's another trailer up there that was abandoned that got destroyed, and it wound up a lot of junk up in the desert, and we've been up there and cleaned that up already. I'm going to take you down to the farm where we had some more damage. Whoa. Down here, let's see, we had really two sheds that were damaged. One was destroyed and one just has some tins wrecked in it. This is the commodity area, and our main commodity barn roof, as you can see from this footage, is gone. We had winds that were about 65 miles an hour. Is what caused all the damage. That roof I just showed you blew over and went up, whoa, into this roof, and actually went up on top of it, hit on the top of it, and caused that damage. And then it ripped the end tin off of this shed and caused damage over there. Show you where the shed wound up. We're trying to get the tins cleared out of the way. This is where it all landed, right here. And we're pulling the tins off, getting ready to scrap this whole big mess right here.